Hello aspirants. Today we are going to discuss about amazing facts about Karnataka state. In this video we are covering the extensively the physical characteristics of Karnataka, natural vegetation, regional festivals, art forms, industry, major rivers, minerals, agriculture, geographical indicators, historical site, heritage site, national park, biosphere reserve, wildlife sanctuaries. Karnataka is a prominent state in south western India that is known for the rich cultural heritage, diverse geography, and significant economic contribution. First of all, Karnataka is bordered with the Arabian Sea to the west, Goa to the northwest, Maharashtra to the north, Telangana to the northeast, Andhra Pradesh in the east, Tamil Nadu to the southeast, and Kerala to the south. The state Maharashtra to the north, Telangana to the northeast, Andhra Pradesh to the east, Tamil Nadu to the southeast, and Kerala to the south. The state terrain includes a coastal plain and western Ghats, that is a Deccan Plateau, Western Ghats and the Deccan Plateau, the major rivers such as Krishna, Kaveri, and Tungabhadra. The Karnataka is spanning over 2000 years, having been ruled by the various dynasties like Mayurya, Chalakya, Rashtrakutas, and Vijayanagara empires. The capital of Karnataka is Bengaluru, that is Bangalore, which is formed in the year of 1956, November 1st. It consists of 30 districts and main languages Kannada. Mysuru is a very much important cultural heritage that is famous for the Mysore silks. It has a bicameral legislature that ranks first in the coffee production in India. Mysore Place is the second most visited tourist destination in India just after the Taj Mahal. And Habali Dharwadi, that is an important commercial and industrial center in the North Karnataka. The key points, that is the physical characteristics of Karnataka, mainly the state Karnataka is part of two well defined region of India, that is namely that is a Deccan Plateau and also the coastal plain and island. It can be further divided into four regions: the northern Karnataka Plateau, the central Karnataka Plateau, the southern Karnataka Plateau, and Karnataka coastal region. The Karnataka economy is a diverse one and it is a significant contribution of the agriculture, manufacturing, and also service sector. The state 60% cultivable, that is a land with major crops including the ragi, jowar, and also sugarcane. The natural vegetation, that is a tropical rainforest in the southwestern region, the tropical shrub land to the east, and tropical dry forest between the previous biomes. So these are the major important natural vegetation, and also there is a tropical moist deciduous forest in the northwestern region. Major rivers Krishna flowing from the Mahabaleshwar in Maharashtra to Andhra Pradesh through Karnataka, and Kaveri that is flowing from the Kodagu, Karnataka, to Bay of Bengal through Tamil Nadu. The major regional festival which is celebrated in the Karnataka, that is Dasara, Mahasankranti, Hampi Festival, Ugadi, Karaga, Kambala festivals. These are the major festivals which is celebrated in the Karnataka region. The major art forms of Karnataka, that is Simman Nrutya, Yakshagana, Harikade. These are the major art forms which is present in the Karnataka. The major important tradition of Karnataka, that is lighting on Mysore Place that during Dasara, the Jumba Saveri Elephant March during the Hampi Festival, Buffalo Race during the Kambala Festival. The major industry, that is Bengaluru, that is known for the Silicon Valley of India, IT, telecom, electronics, floriculture, silk. These are the major industry which are present in the Bengaluru. The major minerals resource, that is bauxite, copper, iron, manganese, gold, that is very rich in gold, dolomite, limestone, asbestos. These are the major minerals which are present in the Karnataka region. The agriculture, the major agricultural product is rice, wheat, coffee, pulses. These are the major important agriculture providing for our Indian economy, and geographical indicators. There is a Mysore silk, there is a agarbatti, bindi ware, that is a Channapatna toys and dolls are very much famous all over the world. Rosewood inlay, Mysore sandalwood oil, and Mysore sandal soap. It's still famous, and also Kasuti embroidery, Mysore traditional paintings, Nanjala good banana, Mysore jasmine, Udupi jasmine, Hadagali jasmine, Ilkal saris, and also Ganifa cords of Mysore, Karnataka bronzeware, Navalkund Durries, that is a Molakal Muru saris, and Monsoon Malabar Arabica coffee, Monsoon Malabar Robusta coffee, Gurg green cardamom, Darbat Peda, Devanoli Pomolio, Apimidi mango, Kamalapur red banana, Sandur, Lambani embroidery, Vyogdi, Chili, Udipi Mattu Gullu, Brinjal, Kinnal toys, Bangalore, blue grapes, Mysore Park, Bangalore rose onions, Gurg orange, Mysore sandalwood oil. These are the major important geographical indicators in Karnataka region. Major key points about the Karnataka. First of all, the state bird, that is the Indian roller, is a main important state bird of Karnataka. The state animal is a Indian elephant. The state tree is a sandalwood tree. The state flower is lotus. These are the major important key points. The state bird is Indian roller, state animal Indian elephants, state tree sandalwood tree, state flower lotus. These are the major important facts about the Karnataka. There is a historical site, that is a monuments and forts of Deccan Sultanate is very much famous and also sacred. In symbols of the Oisala, the monuments of the Srirangapatnam Island town, and also elephant stables at Ompi, the Kavala caves near the Dandeli, that is a very much famous in all over India. The endemic bat area is Western Ghats. There is a many endemic bats and endemic species present in the Western Ghats, and also important bat sanctuary. There is a Gudavi bat sanctuary and Mandagade bat sanctuary. These are the most important bat sanctuary in the Karnataka region. That is a important national park. That is a Bandipur National Park, Bannerghatta National Park, Rajiv Gandhi National Park, Anshi National Park, Gudremukhi National Park. These are the important national parks are present in the Karnataka region. There is a biosphere reserve, that is a Nilgiri Biosphere Resource, is very much famous all over the world. The wildlife sanctuaries mainly Dandeli Wildlife Sanctuary, Bihar Hills Wildlife Sanctuaries, that Kaveri Wildlife Sanctuary, Bhadra Wildlife Sanctuary. These are the major wildlife sanctuaries which are present in the Karnataka region. It is very much important for the tiger reserve, that is a Naharole National Park, that is famous for the tigers, Bengal tigers, and Anshi National Park, which is also very much famous for the Bengal tiger. Dandeli Wildlife Sanctuary, that is also famous for the tiger reserve. Bandipur National Park, in 1973 it is considered as a national park, and BRT Wildlife Sanctuary in the year of 2011 considered as a wild tiger reserve, and Bhadra Wildlife Sanctuary, which is in the year of 1998 considered as a tiger reserve. Important. These are the very much important tiger reserves in India. And also there's a Karnataka plans to double the number of global capability centers, and also thousands in 2029, and also aiming create a 35,000 new jobs and generate the $50 billion in the economic output. And also there is a very much important tourism place that rich in cultural heritage and natural beauty, attracting the tourists to the historical monuments, temples, and national parks, which is a notable site, that is Hampi, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The Temple of the Belur is a very much important, which is very much famous for all over world. Thank you so much.